Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining us today. I am excited to welcome you to A Taste of the Mediterranean featuring Chef Jesús Núñez. I want to say a big thank you to Valle for sponsoring the session, and now let's get started.
Hello everybody, let me introduce myself. My name is Jesús Núñez. I'm from Madrid, Spain. I came to New York 13 years ago. I had several restaurants in Spain and in Madrid. And today I'm very excited to be here with you and present you something that I love. You know, when PepsiCo approached me, I was curious about the offer. When they told me about a new product, gazpacho, my curiosity grown like 1,000 times. And when they told me the brand, Valle, my curiosity changed into excitement. And I'm going to tell you why. Because it's a product that I know, and because it's a product that is good. And I'm from Spain, and this product is part of my family menu for a long time, and I'm a chef. So I know when something is good or it's not. And gazpacho al Valle is the best ready-to-go product in Spain. So I did this display so you can see exactly what is inside one of these containers, okay? So we have tomatoes, peppers, onion, garlic, cucumber, all of this blended with extra virgin olive oil and spices. All of these products are from Spain, and in one of these containers, 93% are vegetables. So I will tell you a little bit more of the gazpacho, but let me tell you about my relationship with Valle gazpacho. When I go to Spain, my mother always has three things in the fridge. One is jamón de bellota, one is chorizo ibérico, and the other one is gazpacho al Valle. I'm not a kid anymore, but these things are like candy for me. But my mother missed me a lot, so she always had this. My mother loved gazpacho, and she did it when I was a child from scratch. But after she discovered al Valle, she stopped doing from scratch because you can have the same product, the same traditional product, and you can read here Spain #1 and traditional. You can have the same tradition in this container. So my mother switched from doing from scratch and trust al Valle for quality and for flavor, traditional flavor. Probably most of you know paella, and probably most of you know jamón. But gazpacho is another of the key dishes in the Spanish cuisine. You know, here we are talking about something with roots. We are not talking about something that is new. We are talking about something that has roots and it's been part of the culinary Spanish cuisine. But if you are into the smoothies, into this trend 6, 7, 8, 10 years ago, and you like this smoothie with kale and spinach, vegetables, celery, apple, and all of these because they are good and they bring some of your nutrients, this is your new kale smoothie. You are going to fall in love with this as soon as you taste it. You know, it's an amazing product. It's coming nationwide in 2021. So one of the ways, it's not the best, but one of the ways is do it like this. Open the fridge, take a glass. Let me tell you a secret. Al Valle sent to my house 8 containers. You can count. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I couldn't resist. I already drink one of the containers. Well, I'm not 100% honest. You know, my wife came. She's working from home, like some of you are. She was like, I'm hungry. I want to eat something, and I was doing this display. She was in shock. She was like, al valle, gazpacho? Oh my God. So she take the last container, the container that I was drinking yesterday, and pour the last glass of gazpacho because we really like it. You know, my laws, my American family is coming to have dinner tonight at home. And I know that they are going to drink one of these and they are going to take home another two. Because when I bring them, I got married in Spain, and when I bring them to Spain, they love the paella, they love the tapas, they love everything, but they love the gazpacho. And now that they know that they are going to buy it and be able to have it at home, I know that they are going to be very happy. But we already drink it. Let me show you the traditional way. So when I go to the beach with my parents, this is the summer. This is part of my personal way to drink gazpacho. I'm coming from the beach, hot day, sweating, swimming. The first thing that I do when I go back home, open the fridge, take gazpacho. It's cold, I drink it. My energy is recovered, and I feel better. You know. But if you want to have it like an appetizer, like a first course, this is the traditional way. I want to show it to you. Okay, so we have here the gazpacho, and then we have these complements that are the traditional ones. That is tomato. Okay, I like to cut it without the skin and the seeds. Onion. I'm not a very onion fan, you know, so I'm not going to put a lot, but this is my personal taste. And then peppers. Here I have a blend of yellow, red, and green pepper. I decided to make it extra nice for you guys and colorful. And then cucumber. And the last one is bread. I like bread, you know. My family love bread. When they are coming to visit here, they need to have bread for lunch, for breakfast, and for dinner. For breakfast, they have toast. Extra virgin olive oil, in my case from Spain. And you have the traditional way to eat gazpacho with a spoon. Beautiful, right? Yeah, I love it too. I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to remove this. We already have one way. I'm going to show you another way. We are going to take a thing that everybody knows, that is a Capri Salad, and we are going to make it better. How? With gazpacho al valle. So, the main ingredient, as I told you already, of the gazpacho are the tomatoes. The Capri Salad, tomato, mozzarella, and basil. I'm incorporating the gazpacho, and I'm changing the the mozzarella for burrata. So we are going to pour a little bit of the gazpacho al valle in the plate, like this. Great. This beautiful burrata, 2 ounces is okay for an individual dish. You know, if you are going to do family style, you can do it bigger. And then I have here beautiful rainbow cherry tomatoes. I'm going to put it here, playing with the yellow, the oranges, the red, the green. It's already looking great. And then I have these basil leaves here. Beautiful. This looks amazing. And you see, it's taking me 3 minutes. The only prep that you need are the cherry tomatoes. And that's all. We are going to finish with olive oil. And a little bit of sea salt. I love sea salt because it brings the flavors up. Okay, so let me show you. This is the second dish. It's beautiful. Al valle, gazpacho, Capri Salad. Okay, I'm going to put it here so you can see it. So gazpacho al valle started in the 90s in Murcia, in the Mediterranean area, you know, and maintain the traditional recipe from them. And that's the way to have the gazpacho. I know, vodka and all of this, you are like, what is he doing? He's going crazy. Well, no, we are going to do a gazpacho al valle Bloody Mary. Okay, so let me show you. Here I have celery salt. I put the lime on the rim. Okay, this is done. And with this, probably my bartender friends are not going to be happy, but it's going to work for me. I'm going to start putting ingredients. 2 ounces of vodka. Perfect. We are going to squeeze 1 lemon wedge, 1 lime wedge. Yeah. I have here horseradish, 2 teaspoons of horseradish. 1, 2 dashes of sriracha. I like it spicy. 2 dashes of Worcester sauce. 1, 2. Fresh black pepper. Wow, the smell is already great. And because I want to do it really Spanish way, I have here pimentón de la vera, the best pimentón paprika in the world. The smoke flavor is going to work really, really, really nice with the gazpacho valle. And then 4 ounces of gazpacho. And because my wife is going to taste it, I'm pretty sure I'm going to put 2 ounces more. Okay? So we have all of this, a little bit of ice. Come on. Yeah. Beautiful. And then is the shaking more. I know that this is, my bartender's friends are going to laugh on me if they see this, but it's the best I can do. So, let's pour this. Oh my God, this is perfect. I have here a garnish celery. I like to use the middle leaves of the celery, parsley. Okay, well, I'm going to taste it first. I can't wait to taste this. Oh my God, it's so good. Spanish olives and a lime wedge here. And let me take all of this out of the way. Okay, all of this is out. Let me clean the table. And here you have this beautiful gazpacho al valle Bloody Mary. Look at this. Don't tell me that you cannot surprise somebody with this, that you cannot prepare for your husband, for your wife. When your friends are coming to have a Sunday brunch and you prepare this, it's going to be out of this world. So, anyway. Plain, traditional, in a salad or a cocktail. I hope that you really like it. I'm really happy to introduce you this product. It's an amazing product. It's the best ready to go gazpacho in my country. And I'm really happy that it's coming into the US. So hopefully you can taste it. Hopefully you fall in love the same way. And hopefully you drink it for as many years as I drink it. Thank you so much. I hope that you enjoy it. I hope that you do it. If you do it, post it on your Instagram, on your Facebook, tag Al Valle, so